In number one, we're integrating a sum of powers, and so we're going to use the power rule for integration, and that looks like this. The integral of x to the n dx is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus a constant, and n cannot equal to -1, otherwise this denominator would be 0. So this is the power rule for integration. Alright, so we're going to use this here. We're going to integrate term by term, leaving the constant in front. We have x to the 8 over 8 minus 5x to the 4 over 4 plus 8x plus c. Okay, when we integrate this constant, you can still think of this as using the power rule if you think of 8 as 8 times x to the 0, or just remember that the derivative of 8x is the constant 8. So when we integrate 8, when we take the antiderivative of 8, we get 8x. In number 2, we're going to integrate, and again we want to use the power rule. So we're going to rewrite this integrand, what's underneath the integral symbol, that's called the integrand. We're going to rewrite as a power. So this is 1 over the 5th root of x, or x to the minus 1 over 5. So we're integrating, or getting the antiderivative of x to the minus 1 over 5. And we're going to use the power rule, add 1 to the exponent. So minus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus 5 over 5 is equal to 4 over 5. So we have x to the 4 over 5. And then we want to divide by 4 over 5, or equivalently multiply by 5/4, and add on that constant. Okay, the reason why we add on the constant, it makes our solution more general, because if we take the derivative of a constant, we get 0. So if we take the derivative of this, no matter what constant is here, we are going to get this what's underneath the integral symbol. In number 3, we want to rewrite the integrand, that is what's underneath the integral symbol, as a sum of powers. So let's do that. So first we have 2 over x, 2 square root of x over x cubed. Square root of x has x to the 1/2. So we're subtracting exponents, so we have 1/2 minus 3, or that is 1/2 minus 6/2, that's x to the minus 5/2. And we have that 2 in front. Plus 5 over x cubed, and that would be 5x to the minus 3. So now we have the integrand written as a sum of powers, so we're ready to integrate using the power rule. Add 1, so here we're adding 1 to minus 5 over 2, so we're adding 2 over 2, and we get minus 3 over 2. And now divide by this exponent, or multiply by minus 2/3. Plus 5. Here we have minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Divide by minus 2, I'm going to write multiply by minus 1/2, plus a constant. In number 4, we're integrating a function involving sine x. Let's remember that the derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. So the derivative of minus cosine x would be sine x. So we have 7. When we integrate, we have 7 times minus cosine x And now the derivative of 3x, we're just going to use the power rule. That would be 3x squared over 2. And we add on the constant.